Hi, in this video we are going to continue the creation of the web application. This is a list of suggestions how you should use the video. The notes for this video can be found on this web page, which the URL can be found here. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to create a kind of shopping cart. I'm going to go through this real quick just to show you how it is set up. If you really want to learn this, you have to use the textbook. There's no way you can learn by just looking at the video. So the video is just to support the textbook to see how things are set up step by step. Okay. All right. Before we move on, we need to add this code in the web config file. So I'm just going to copy this and go to the web config file over here, which is already here, and we are going to just add it here. This seems like a good place. Save it. Okay, I need that mainly because I'm just going to quickly add a text box. Okay. Before I add a text box, I'm going to add a label called quantity, called the ID called label quantity, and that will make it look like this. And I'm going to put a text box here. I'm sure you know how to add a text box and then change the property to attach things to it. Okay, just drag. But I'm just not going to do that. I'm just going to copy my code. Okay. I'm going to copy both the text box, which is called text quantity. Okay. And the validator one, require validator one, range validator, which is done by changing the properties. I'm just going to copy it there. All right. So that is good. Safe. Very safe. And you should be able to see it here. Okay. So you can type in the text, and then of course you have to create a button. Okay. So the next step is to create a button below here. Of course, you can drag a button from the standard stuff, and then you can change the properties of the button. That's one way, but I'm just going to do it faster here. I'm just going to copy the code from my examples. Okay. So we can have a button here. Can have a button here called button add, and then I'm going to when you click on a button, I'm going to create a function called button add click, and I'm going to have another button called button cart, and when you click on it, just go to another page called cart.aspx, which we are going to do next. Okay. Let me save this work. Obviously, we need to create a button add click function. Okay. So that I'm going to quickly go to the order.aspx.cx, and I'm going to create this. Of course, you should type it in. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste so it's easier. And then I'm going to make an empty method so that you won't just crash my program. Alright, so now let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty close. So this is what we are working on. You can add things. Obviously nothing will happen because my function is empty. Okay. And then when you click go to cart, you'll go to a new file which is not created yet. Obviously you have this error. So this is a good place to stop. The next thing we want to do is to do the add to cart, okay, and see how we do that. So that's a good place to stop this video. We are going to continue from the next video. Thanks for watching.